Hello and welcome to this Sibilak video, in which we'll show you how a part like this one can be programmed with the touch profile function on our ModEva numerical controls. As you see, such a part can be decomposed in two rather simple profiles. First, let's access the touch profile function and create a new program. Before we can begin to draw our part, we must first define basic parameters, such as the tools, the material, and so on. They're conveniently located at the top of the screen. Let's begin by touching the empty field next to Punch. A pop-up window opens containing all the available punches. To select one, double-touch it. We can then do the same for the die. As you see, you can also select one by touching its number and then touching on Confirm. To select the material, we just have to touch its name and select the desired one from the pop-up window. We now have to enter a thickness of 2 mm, a sigma value of 42 kilograms per square millimeter, and a bending length of 200 mm. We are now ready to begin drawing our part on the screen. As you can see, each touch creates a new segment, and we can easily create a basic profile. The following step consists of precisely defining each length and angle. For a segment's length, a touch in its center allows adjusting its value. Let's quickly do the same for the other segment's lengths. For an angle, the process is pretty much the same. You just have to touch it. As you can see, the minus sign defines the direction of the angle from its origin. The first section of our part is complete. To create the second one, we'll touch here and simply enter 2. We can now create the second section in the very same manner. Once we are done, we'll move to the Bend 2D page. Here, we'll let the ModEva define the order of the bends. This is done pretty quickly. Using the Page Up and Page Down buttons, it is possible to visualize the bend order. Our part is now completely programmed and ready to be bent as it is, using the semi-automatic or automatic mode. Our demonstration is now complete. We hope you enjoyed it. And thanks for watching.